Hello, beautiful souls. Today, I'm going to guide you through a transformative journey, unlocking your feminine energy to live a softer, more fulfilling life. Step 1. Embrace your intuition. Feminine energy is deeply connected to intuition. Trust your inner voice. Start small by listening to your gut feelings on daily decisions. Over time, this will strengthen your connection to your inner wisdom. Step 2. Cultivate self-care. Dedicate time to pamper yourself. Run a warm bath, apply your favorite skincare, or simply enjoy a quiet moment with a cup of tea. These acts of self-love will rejuvenate your spirit and radiate your feminine essence. Step 3. Connect with nature. Spend time outdoors, feel the earth beneath your feet, and let the breeze play with your hair. Nature has a powerful way of grounding us and realigning our energies. Even a short walk in the park can work wonders. Step 4. Practice gratitude. Keep a daily gratitude journal. Each morning or evening, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple practice shifts your focus to positivity, enhancing your feminine energy and attracting more good vibes into your life. Step 5. Express your creativity. Whether it's painting, dancing, writing, or any other form of creative expression, let your imagination flow. Creativity is a core aspect of feminine energy, and indulging in it will make you feel more vibrant and alive. Step 6. Nurture your relationships. Feminine energy thrives on connection. Spend quality time with loved ones, listen deeply, and offer your support. Building strong, empathetic relationships will enrich your life and amplify your soft, feminine essence. Step 7. Honor your emotions. Allow yourself to feel deeply. Whether you're happy, sad, or anything in between, acknowledge and embrace your emotions. This acceptance is a powerful way to stay in tune with your feminine energy. Step 8. Prioritize rest and relaxation. Your body and mind need downtime to recharge. Make sure to get enough sleep and take breaks when needed. A well-rested you is a radiant you. By implementing these steps, you'll begin to radiate a softer, more feminine energy, enriching your life and those around you. Remember, it's not about changing who you are, but rather embracing your true, authentic self. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay radiant, stay soft. Bye for now.